Over the years, I've taught many students who believe that good spelling was simply a matter of memorizing words. One day, I gave a group of students a short written passage and asked them to identify the words that were spelled incorrectly. Something interesting happened. One student quickly spotted a couple of mistakes and corrected most of them with confidence. Another student struggled to find many of the errors. Why? Because if you can't spell the word correctly yourself, it's much harder to recognize when it has been spelled incorrectly by someone else. That simple exercise taught an important lesson. Good spelling isn't just about memorization, it's about understanding how words work. And one of the best ways to understand English words is by learning syllable patterns. Today, we're going to learn another powerful syllable rule that can help make spelling and pronunciation easier. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English with Chimezie. In today's lesson, we'll be focusing on the third rule of breaking words into syllables. We still have a few more rules to learn afterwards, so stay tuned to my channel and find out what they are. Let's get started. Another important syllable rule in English spelling is this. If there is only one consonant between two vowels, the word often splits before the consonant. In many cases, the first vowel makes a long sound. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, while consonants are all the other letters of the alphabet. Let's look carefully at the pattern. In the words we are studying today, there is only one consonant letter standing between two vowels. For example, the letters G, P, M, and B. In these words are consonants placed between vowels. Examples: ti-ger, ti-ger; paper, pay-per; moment, mo-ment; label, lay-bo. Notice how each word is divided after the first vowel sound and before the middle consonant. ti-ger, pay-per, mo-ment, and lay-bo. Now let's listen to the first vowel sounds. Ti sounds like tie. Pa sounds like pay. Mo sounds like mo. La sounds like lay. Each of these sounds form the first syllables. Now, these are called long vowel sounds because the vowels in them say their names. Vowels are long in pronunciation. This rule is very useful because it helps us pronounce words correctly and makes spelling easier. When you see one consonant between two vowels, try checking whether the first vowel has a long sound. If it does, the word will often split before the consonant. Let's practice again, this time using words with three syllables. Re, z, dent. Split before consonants S and D. Pa, z, tiv. Split before consonants S and T. Re, lay, tiv. Split before consonants L and T. And vi, ta, min. Split before consonants T and M. Learning to divide words into syllables helps you read more confidently, pronounce words more clearly, and remember spellings more easily. Instead of seeing one long difficult word, you begin to see smaller and simpler parts. As you continue practicing syllable rules like this, English spelling will gradually become easier and more natural for you. Thank you for watching this lesson, but before you go, I have a spelling detective challenge for you. Look carefully at these words: population, generation, celebration, motivation, and information. Can you explain why each word is divided the way it is? Write your answer in the comments using the format explained earlier on in this video. Now, for the real challenge. Can you think of another English word that follows today's rule? Write it in the comments and divide it into syllables. I'll be checking the comments and replying to as many answers as possible. And if today's lesson helped you, type, I found the pattern. I found the pattern in the comments so I know you're learning with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss Rule 4, where you'll be learning how to spell words with prefixes and suffixes easily. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning English the smart and easy way, one syllable at a time.